This is the Blueair Blue 3250i. It's an air purifier designed for use in rooms up to 48 meters squared. As a result, it's best suited to smaller to medium-sized spaces. As a new entry to Blueair's Blue range, this model offers some upgrades over the regular models, further refining the experience they offer. So let's see what those improvements are and if they're worth investing in. On first inspection, the Blue 3250i, much like its siblings, has a very sleek and streamlined design. It's compact and cylindrical, with a 2-button control panel located on the top grille. However, in a twist from the other Blue models, it has LED indicators to clearly show its different operation modes. Those modes are accessed with one of the touch buttons, which can switch through all 5 options in a cycle. The 5 modes available are Auto, Night, and 3 regular static speed settings that increase in power with each number. Of all the options, Night mode is the slowest and quietest, while the 3rd static level is the fastest and loudest. Finally, the Auto mode uses the inbuilt air particle sensor and can adjust the 3250i's operating speed based on the surrounding air quality. The air particle sensor also displays its findings visually through an LED indicator. This indicator displays air quality information through a rainbow spectrum of 5 colours. When the indicator is blue, the surrounding air quality is at its best, while a red indicator shows that the surrounding environment is highly polluted. For further control flexibility, the 3250i can also be connected to the Blueair app through Wi-Fi. The app allows for remote control over all the Purifier's functions, including turning the unit on and off or activating specific operation modes. It also provides real-time air quality information metrics for accurate monitoring. Additionally, the 3250i is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing for hands-free voice commands for certain functions. Alexa, turn on Blueair.
Okay.
Alexa, increase Blueair fan speed.
Okay.
Beyond its remote control options, the Blue 3250i also has some other quirks, including a 360-degree air intake radius, which increases its efficiency by taking in air from all directions. It also has a great money-saving filter replacement indicator that works off of an inbuilt consumption level instead of a more commonly used time limit. Lastly, it's also been designed to be very quiet and efficient. At its lowest speed level, it runs at just 18 decibels, which is quieter than whispering. Then, at its top speed setting, it needs only 20 watts of power while outputting 46 decibels of noise. Altogether, this makes it cheap to run and allows it to blend in with regular background noise. Of course, while those features are important, the 3250i's filter cartridge is the key element. This is accessed by twisting the head of the unit anti-clockwise, and then pushing the fabric pre-filter down to show the cartridge inside. As with the other Blue Series models, this one uses a 3-stage process to remove contaminants, and it all starts with the pre-filter wrap. This removable fabric layer handles the first filtration stage by collecting hair and large dust particles, blocking them from further penetration. It can also be removed entirely and replaced with alternative colour variants. The 2nd and 3rd stages of the filtration process are then handled by the main filter cartridge. Since Blueair are specialists when it comes to air purification, that filter is highly advanced, and it uses their unique HEPA-silent technology. It works through a combination of particle and carbon filtration in a single cartridge, with activated coconut shell carbon and non-woven polypropylene fibers. It's also completely ozone and chemical free, and the unique filter medium is far less dense. This reduces the amount of air pressure needed for the unit to work, allowing it to run with a 10% reduction in noise levels. So, there's no doubt that the Blueair Blue 3250i is using leading filtration technology. As a result, it's logical that it can offer incredible performance results in practice. For starters, it is capable of pollutant removal down to 0.1 microns, where a majority of purifiers can only work down to 0.3 microns. Additionally, the 3250i can reduce the levels of a range of contaminants to that standard, from common examples such as dust, pet dander and mold, to tougher pollutants such as smoke, VOCs, viruses and odours. That filtration ability is then further aided by quick air change rates. For example, in rooms sized up to 48 meters squared, the 325OI can perform up to 2 full air changes an hour. This rate only increases in smaller spaces, allowing the 325OI to deal with contaminants quickly and efficiently, improving air quality levels very quickly. Lastly, it's also able to produce very good clean air delivery rates. Typically abbreviated as CADRs, these rates measure a purifier's ability to deal with certain pollutants. And at its top speed, the 325OI produces a CADR score of 239 meters cubed per hour for dust, smoke, and pollen. Levels that exceed even the very high standard of the similar capacity Blue 3210. So, when considering air purifiers, the Blueair Blue 325OI is definitely worth a look. It offers outstanding and cutting-edge filtration technology with a stylish, compact, and minimalist design. Plus, thanks to its consumption-based filter sensor, it makes sure every filter is used to its fullest potential, while offering superior protection against airborne allergens and pollutants.